Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to recover deleted photos on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device, or you can access it through a web browser on your computer. Once you're in the app, go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. On your profile page, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Scroll down the menu and select Your Activity. In the Your Activities section, scroll down until you find the Removed and Archived Content category. Tap on Recently Deleted, and this will show you a list of all the photos and videos you've deleted in the last 30 days. Locate the photo you want to recover and tap on it to view it in full screen. Once you've selected the photo, tap the three vertical dots in the top right corner. A pop-up menu will appear. Tap on Restore, and then confirm by tapping Restore again. That's it. You've successfully recovered your deleted photo and restored it to your Instagram profile. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.